Hi. It's just gonna be a silent video. I'm just doing Legos. I'm building something.
Let's see what it is.
It's fantastic beasts and where to find them. Do this.
Little Evie, little Evie, my Evie, you're my Evie. You're my Evie. Mama say you showed them my voice in color.
No, I have to start the video over to action. I have to check something. Is it getting everything or?
I'm not.
Well, I have to make sure it gets everything. And anybody who's gonna watch this, probably none, is gonna think I'm an idiot. Because I can't handle a stupid camera. Or tablet. Whatever this is. The camera is built into the tablet. I don't know science. Just something about friction. I'm a Fujoshi. Because the Fujoshi, I don't know, skirt, I don't know. Friction, I don't know.
You're my man.
Let's get this done.
No, you excuse me, I'm going to see my Evie plushie. You're my
So, anybody who is ever going to watch this play Fortnite? I don't. That's just a question I'm asking. You can answer it in the comments. If there's anybody watching this. I'm so lonely. I have nobody. Kind of contradicting the fact that this is going to be a silent video. While occasionally hearing the dogs not shutting up. And the stupid cat in the plastic bags.
I'm helping.
Okay then, just let me look at something. Dexon, you're not getting anything. Okay, yeah. Just hold it like that. Something, I don't know.
Getting everything.
If you hold on. Jackson, if you just exit out of the app and go play your stupid gacha games, I'm gonna get mad. Cause okay, recording everything. Okay. Sorry, I was just looking at the Also, Jack. Also, I'm just gonna call you D.
Okay.
For this entire
Oh,
thing.
when you see Evie, that's when you know I'm coding.
D, stop it.
It's my Evie.
D, we're not showing you Evie. We're showing you. We're showing me.
I'll show you your face.
Okay. That's gonna lose views because of my ugly face.
They don't know.
Well, there's no one even watching.
Oh, because we haven't plugged it into YouTube.
Hosting. I don't know. Posting to YouTube. And then there's a flower. Beautiful. Don't know if you can see it. I'm not looking at. I'm not going.
I can see it.
Okay.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
It's
Oh
every-
yeah, it's not a bag.
I know, D. That's what I was. That's why it was right there. Don't drop it. Sorry, that happened. Very That was the Eevee he was talking about in the part. I don't know. Never mind. I'm just gonna go back to being a silent video. With an occasional talking and you getting annoyed. If you were just looking for Legos.
If you hear this, like the video.
Don't force them. Give them a choice.
Hey, I'm just saying it. Do you like this having noise? Some of them might be able to snap.
Everybody can snap, and if you can't, I'm sorry. It's easy. Do that. And if it's hard for you to do that, try this. I don't think it works at all. Could you
Can you
see
see?
that? Okay, let me just do this if you can't snap.
Do you hear it?
Yeah, Daxton, stop it. I mean, never mind.
D.
Hey D, spell me.
V-I-V-I.
I said it like the me.
Oh, M-E.
You forgot the D.
M-E-D, me.
You're supposed to say there's no D in me. And
There's no D in me.
Not yet.
Oh my gosh.
That's a good joke. It's already old.
Hey, Vivian, is there I in team?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Instead of is there I in team? Teamed.
I don't know your team. If anybody knows what that means, congratulations. You're officially an otaku. Or you just know a lot about the Japanese language. I don't know.
Oh, you know, there's no I in team.
Actually, T-E-M-E
I said I.
means an insult, I'm pretty sure.
I'm saying I.
I know, I know, D. I've just been reading lots of
D.
fan fiction. You know, this was supposed to be a silent video of creepiness. Never mind. I don't think anybody's gonna watch it. Those people look for Logan Paul and Jake Paul. Stuff like that, and Butcher's Knife.
Chef Subscribe.
Oh.
Markiplier.
Yeah, Markiplier's pretty funny.
Other YouTubers.
I don't like PewDiePie. He cusses too much. I mean, I'm...
Just some guy cusses!
Yeah, but in every single sentence, I'm pretty sure I've only watched one of his video. He says like whatever. I mean, I just don't like PewDiePie. I mean, it's not him as a host. I just don't like his videos.
I can stop recording this, you know.
You don't just be mean.
You're the one who had the idea!
Yeah, well, you're the one who gave into the idea.
You're the one that started this whole mess.
What? Buying something that's cool and
No!
building it?
Start this video!
You don't have to yell. They can hear you.
I know! Now, excuse me, I'm going to watch TV.
Okay.
Oh, that rhino thing. With the... That's what the orange pieces are for. The rhino thing with the rhino in it.
Yeah. Also, there's something I want to show you.
What?
I wasn't talking to you, Jackson. Move. It's a Niflo. It's gonna focus. From the other side. God, I hate my life.
Those gold stars are supposed to be the coins that what his name is?
The Niffler?
Yeah, the Niffler.
I know, Jackson. I've seen Fantastic Beasts and where to find them. And I've also read all the Harry Potter books except the Cursed Child. But people have told me it's not that good, but I don't trust them. Every Harry Potter book is good. Even though at Walmart, I've seen Harry Potter plushies, but there's no Draco Malfoy. Draco Malfoy is an adorable Slytherin biscuit. His true love is either that apple.
Shut up, V.
Did you just call me?
V.
Oh. That is not my name.
DV. DV.
Okay, well. Just so you guys know, if you're watching this, we're brother and sister. Nothing on honey in this. Just because.
And I'm the one recording this.
You're just making noise while I'm trying to do something.
Yeah.
Which is supposed to be a silent video, but of course.
You're the one that started talking!
Because I can't resist talking in front of the camera.
You never had a camera until this point. Which is on my tablet.
Jackson, I would do my phone, but my phone camera sucks. And it's not.
First, your phone is cracked.
Well, no, yeah, I dropped this at Walmart and got it stuck in a rocking chair too.
Now she has to put tape on it.
Yeah, so I don't cut myself when I'm swiping.
Hey, goody.
He's got his mouse and his blue ball.
Why are we saying ball? Balls.
Because it's a wood that we use. Oh my, is this a hairbrush?
I think so.
It's a hairbrush. Now I look like an immature idiot. Oh wait, that's exactly what I am.
I'm Billy.
Jackson, you're not Mary Poppins.
I know.
Jackson, if you're Mary Poppins, go jump off a roof with the umbrella, with an umbrella, and see if you can fly.
Okay.
Oh, I gotta see that.
Wee.
Jackson, put it down. I said don't touch anything.
You said blah.
Not the... People seem to love seeing kids jump off roofs on YouTube.
But they die.
So people die every day. I was thinking about the
And some
Rwandan...
of them we don't even know.
I was thinking about the Rwandan genocide. UN, United Nations, did nothing.
I never went to a video! Adoy!
Jackson, you'll learn about
I'm
it.
stupid.
Jackson, you'll learn about the Rwandan genocide in 7th grade. You'll learn about it. It was a terrible time period. Literally. The Rwandan genocide?
Don't
Boy.
trust Tool.
Dude, the Rwandan genocide actually happened. The UN, United States, nothing. No country that was like, anything like part of the UN, basically I think every country is, but did nothing to help Rwanda.
People, don't trust Tool.
Dude, I've learned about it.
Okay, trust Tool.
Dude, it was an actual time period.
No! Well, some people don't, and I don't, but yeah. It still doesn't make a difference!
Yes, it does, Doc. I don't know. But the Rwanda genocide isn't over. There's still like discrimination and like the Hutus and the Tutsis like killing each other. I'm pretty sure.
I can't get a kid up here and make it destroy you.
Then I punch you in the face.
Okay!
Don't shake the tape. God dang it. Phantom, run away. Do that. I'm gonna go get Dad and your mom.
Come on.
I just said don't shake the table. It's a long time. Dax, could you get me my coffee? I put it somewhere. It's over on the stove.
frozen coffee anyways.
It's iced coffee.
I know.
Also, don't say the name of the thing because that's basically copyright in YouTube. Anything that has a smidge, there's a little wee bit of copyright. But your YouTube music.
This is the. What just said has never been copyrighted.
Do not. Fine. YouTube will take down the video because YouTube doesn't want to get sued for copyright infringement.
We didn't copyright anything.
Copyright means something. I'm too lazy to go on Google and look what copyright is. All I know is basically what it is.
Copyright as in copying something that only people did.
Oh. How
And
do you know
we-
this? Actually, I think copyright means
Yeah, I'm telling the truth about copyright. You just
copyright means they own that copyright. I don't
Hey,
know.
some people copy other people. When someone does this, the other person does it.
Okay, I'm
That's
gonna look it up on
copyright.
Google because I'm pretty sure your information is invalid. Whatever your sources are. Oh, my dad, I don't want to do this.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the electric dog whistle.
You mean the thing that does the high frequency? Yeah, actually, if you hold it up to your ear, you can hear it.
That's why I'm trying to find it.
I don't know where I put it.
Of course you don't know. You just place it somewhere, man.
Okay, so
You can't.
I'm looking it up now. Because
Yeah.
Google is smarter than anybody in the world. How about Isaac? Isaac knows everything. Screw Google.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
and-
copyright is the exclusive legal right given to an originator or an assignee
That's what I'm
to
talking-
print, publish, perform, film, or record literary, artistic, or musical material, and to authorize others to do the same.
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, yeah.
And this video is still going.
You're right.
This video is still going. When are we gonna build?
And everything is organized, because that's the only way I can work with Legos. Like, something like as big as this is not the only way I can work with it. Especially, even if something's small.
I'm gonna show people my Pokemon card.
Oh, Jackson, stop it.
People know what Pokemon is. They can see Eevee.
We'll make a video right after this one to show it.
I can't.
You can make a video.
Yeah, but it's gonna be on your account on YouTube.
You have the same account, we're sharing the account.
Okay.
And I'll put a D in the title when it's your video. How dare you get in there with that? How could I make a mistake like that? I'm an inferior.
Video. The
Yeah.
new movie. Coming out 3D.
That is not a movie. If anybody who tries to keep up with every new movie they're making, that is not a movie. So you are welcome to try to make a movie out of that name.
On YouTube.
No, you have to pay money to watch videos on YouTube. Not videos, but movies, I think. I'm pretty sure, yeah. So I'll be looking up.
Well, don't do it on
Other
YouTube,
movies.
people. Don't do it on YouTube, people. You have to pay. You probably don't have the money.
Everybody on YouTube except us has a lot of money.
Yeah, I'm talking to the people that are watching the video when we're done.
Who's gonna watch? Who's gonna subscribe?
Almost everybody that likes this video. Actually watches this video.
Okay.
And we can check on the videos, you know.
I don't think anybody's gonna like this video, guys. It's just
I'm pretty sure we can.
ranting and arguing about Legos.
I'm pretty sure we can edit this.
That's not. We'll be the only people on YouTube who don't edit a thing.
Yeah, because we want to show people how it's made. We should put the title, how to make
This is not. This is.
how to make a Lego Fantastic Beasts Where to Find Them Lego set.
I am not showing lots of people on YouTube how to make it because my explanations are stupid. And only people.
But it's Lego.
We'll just probably watch every time I make each step. I don't know if there are people. I just noticed those flower petals. Reminds me how I couldn't trip a flower girl out of it. Let's check on something. Move Jackson. Move G. Out of the way. Because anything that shows any brand name is gonna get taken off of copyright on YouTube because YouTube can't handle one thing being shown. That doesn't belong to them. So take the shoebox off. Use one, I guess. Okay, YouTube, is that good enough for your standards? Sorry if I'm being a complete total idiot. But I'm the only one allowed to call myself an idiot. So but
we should make the people that are going to watch this video suffer of ads.
I don't think it looks like that. Because we don't have
Well, how do you get ads in the video when you want ads?
I don't want ads. Jackson, I don't like ads when I'm watching my anime.
Hey, some people like ads.
Yeah, well, I don't want an ad with something I can never buy. I don't care. I can't buy a Subaru. I wouldn't want a Subaru. I don't know.
I can destroy this video.
So I'm just gonna watch it. Now then, on to the fourth bag, and the fourth and final bag, which is a bag within a bag.
That makes no sense.
Yeah, well, make sense to me, because my brain is bigger than my brain.
That makes no sense.
This has little pieces in it. Like every Lego thing.
There's a hill piece.
I don't think that's pterodactyl. That's probably the thing that's probably part of a nest that showed him the box. Don't touch it!
Yeah, it's here.
It's not, no. I wonder if the egg is in this one. Oh! Almost lost the wings to the thing. I don't know what it's called. Half of these creatures, I don't know what they were called because I forgot and I wasn't paying attention when Newt was saying it. Also, this is a Fantastic Beasts Where to Find Them Lego set.
That's what I just said.
I don't know. Right here with the.
No.
Just knock him off of it.
No. I did.
Phantom, stop it. Stop being a cat. Just Phantom, stop being yourself for like.
Oh yeah, Phantom's our pet kitty. We have another cat named Dally.
She hates everybody. Isn't that right, Dally?
Hey, Dally's a girl and Phantom's a boy.
Yeah.
And they're both cats. But Phantom's a kitty and Dally's a cat.
That doesn't make any sense, but okay then.
I'm crazy. I'm crazy, so I should get a knife and kill people. This is gonna be brutal, yeah.
Jackson, don't say that. The knife out.
Yeah, we should edit that part out. If we can.
Gee, don't say anything.
I've been saying a lot of stuff, you know.
No, well, don't say anything about murdered it, killed it, everything, because
You just said it!
I'm using it. Just leave, please.
No.
Could you please be quiet? It's bad enough I don't know where I put the electrical thingy, dog whistle thingy to make them shut up, to make the dog shut up. Hopelessly, I went to Walmart with a hoodie on and nothing under it. Also wore chili stained sweatpants, so that was nice, I guess. With lots of mouth breathers on it though. And Dee would not stop getting in the front of the basket. Stepmom should have just ran it over with him. Because my dad was telling us about in the truck when they were leaving to go back home. about how his dad would just hit them with the basket that they got in front of it. But anyway, there was no sushi left in Walmart. I love sushi. I should make more of these videos, just ranting about my day. Oh, I could do that.
Slowly, she wants to be gay.
I am a lesbian, Dax.
Yeah, that means gay. Gay means happy.
Yeah, I'm happy that I'm gay. Proud of it.
Oh my gosh. Well, I'll go back to sleep with my baby.
Oh, stupid Phantom, that's dog food. I should just make videos where I'm just ranting about my day. I don't get views, right?
Yeah, let's make a vlog channel for you.
I'll just come home every day and make a video about my day. Just ranting about how people make me mad.
Okay, people.
You guys get to deal with my problems. You too. Never been to Sunday shows, never got any tattoos. Do. You too.
Oh yeah, and us two watch videos.
Yeah, everybody who has YouTube watches videos.
Yeah. So soft.
It's funny. 26 minutes is just me ranting, arguing, and then just organizing Legos.
It's okay.
Yeah, that's basically ranting. Could you stop it? I'm trying to talk. So, anybody else get mad like when squirrels eat out of a bowl feedle? Sorry if my R's are terrible. So, put on captions. If, I don't know, if anybody will watch this.
We should make a video how to give kitties belly rubs.
Oh no, we should use Dally for that.
Yeah. They want to use Phantom because he's the one that actually we should use Phantom then Dally.
No.
Because we both hate those.
Videos where I come and rant. Could you stop it?
We need to make videos about toys and games.
Did you know that I don't know who it is, but there's a person who makes little kid videos about toys and stuff like that. She was a former porn star. I was just watching this video about the most hated YouTubers.
Money.
I don't know why I knew I hate YouTubers. Doesn't matter.
Oh yeah, those cards of Pokemon cards.
Oh, for the love of God. So, what makes you guys mad the most about anything? What makes me mad the most is what is it? People what is it? Crap, I forgot. Jesus Christ. Basically, people that. I'm sorry, I couldn't remember, but I made someone say they hated me by taking the last apple juice from mine. I didn't even drink it. I just wanted to do it to make them mad because they made me mad. So I did give it to someone so it wasn't completely wasted. Also, what makes me mad is this girl. I'm not gonna say her name. But she, oh my god, she has lots of money in her account at school, so she has lots of seconds. And and she's this fat tub of food I'm not allowed to say. And so,
Oh yeah, you mix.
and so I'm saying to my friend, for some reason Vadna likes to sit, because she's friends with Vadna, but I tolerated Vadna just to hang out with my friend.
Adriana, you have a gold piece in the purples.
Anyway, Vadna is an annoying name I'm calling her. Because I've heard it before, but that's an annoying name I'm calling her. Just to make sure, I don't know what her name is, pretty sure. Something evil like Gwendolyn. But anyway, so this Vadna person makes me so mad because I sit down, I have some, I don't know what it is, pizza or whatever.
This is going to be a long video.
And so I sit down, and she, oh my, this is what she does. So how about, hold on, let me get some. I can't remember. And so she, imagine my phone is the apple juice. She goes like this. Can I have your apple juice? And she takes it. But I flip it out of her grip, and and when I'm leaving, I give it to my friend. Because I don't like Vadna. She's so, I don't know what to call it. She's just one of those people who they're just stupid, kind of. And I know those people who say you shouldn't judge people by their actions, but wait, you should judge people by their actions, not their cover, but also I had this one friend, and it was like in 5th grade level. What she did was, dude, she was so mean. I had this friend who was very sensitive and everything. I'm not being mean, but she was just very sensitive. I'm not being mean, but she was just very sensitive and everything. And so, sorry, my stories never end. And so she, and so, she was chasing us around, throwing shoes at us and stuff, chasing us. Like, it's not something fun like you do with your friend, like kicking each other on the shins. Cutting my friend. And so, anyway. And so she was just being they can't say anything. I don't know, I'm sorry, but and so she made my friend move away. Also, this is the last batch before I start building, so.
Oh yeah, and those people that don't have Transylvania free, we have Transylvania free. What?
Don't bad or gloat.
I'm not. I'm just saying.
There's the egg. Is there anything in it? Put it with the white Legos.
Where does the green go? If I gotta place the carrots with the green.
There's no carrots. Oh, I forgot about those. Also, those aren't carrots. They're plants.
No. Oh, me hold. No, not me hold, but
yeah. Dax, if you're bored, you can. You want to play my phone?
Yeah.
Okay, let me hit the passing bar. Just don't. You can play the game, the fish game that I have on your tablet. Just don't spend any money at all. None.
Shouldn't download the fish game on your phone.
Well, I have it on my phone. Like this game right here, right there. Don't spend any money. Don't spend any money on the games that have money,
yeah.
except that plan game. Just let me take this password off my phone. Settings. No apply.
Just do
it. Okay, so you have to do this when we're done and click games. Okay, let's get this over with. Let's get everything organized so I can start. Probably gonna be alone. Also, if you're bored already of this video, you can just stop watching. Or at least just leave a like or something. Just to know that you watched.
Yeah, we want to make money. We want to make money.
You have to have lots of subscribers for YouTube to start paying you.
I know. So subscribe, people. If you don't want to, don't.
Just do it. Just subscribe. Do it.
If you don't want to, do it. Oh, don't do it.
And it's your choice. I really don't care if you subscribe or not.
Yeah.
Please do, please.
Oh, hit a like. If you don't want to subscribe, hit the bell.
And if you don't
Before
like...
will turn on.
And,
Oh, no, it is.
and if you don't like this video, then don't like it. Just don't put the thumbs down. Jeez, you don't have to like it. You don't have to do that. You don't have to waste your time to... If you don't like it, just leave. Go watch whatever you want.
Like your favorite YouTubers.
Yeah. Wow. What's up? I just realized how boring our YouTube channel is going to be, so if you just like people ranting and people being idiots, then this is the show. It's called The Ranting Show. Occasional Legos and doing stuff. Also, it's very cold outside.
And raining, but not anymore.
Oh, it's going to start. Bus monitor can't say the name right. Yeah, our bus is so bad it needs a bus monitor.
And my bus. We run on the same bus. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And so, yeah, our bus is so bad it needs a bus monitor. And my sister's friend, she got the, you know, the land of lollipops, like where everything's good before you learn that life sucks and everything. She got out of that land quick. Because, like, when she was in kindergarten, before me and my sister met, she, that bus is very bad because of the high schoolers had no filter and everything. No one knows on that bus. And so, she learned a lot of things from those high schoolers. Alright, almost done. And now, let's put these textures away. And we can start the long-awaited moment of actually making something. Okay, I lost the instructions. Well, this is the full instruction booklet. Oh, it tells you what. Okay, so the full thing we're gonna make is. Okay, so we're making let me look. We got Tina Goldstein and Newt Scamander.
You have a game where you press the balls and you have touchbacks. That's kind of weird.
No, it's not. It's fun and addicting and terrible for me to play because I get mad at addicting games. Or heard? No, come back here.
It moves.
I should have not taken each head out. Okay, so. Okay, it's this one. That's her hair.
It's funny.
Oh, those are the wands. I'm just. Look at that one. I should have looked at the instructions, but.
That was wrong.
Oh, well. Here's the thing where I put
Boing,
the
boing,
wand.
boing, 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 boing.
These things right here. These are their wands for some reason.
Boing,
That's
boing.
what it is. Okay, so this is
Boing,
Newt's
boing,
wand.
boing, boing, boing.
Now we just need to. Okay, so who's the dark? Is the dark brown one? Who's the dark brown one? No, I don't think it's the brown one. I don't.
I want to install it onto what it's called on my tablet. And record this on my tablet.
Okay.
So
We're almost to an
good.
hour though. Right? Might just leave this video here.
Make
No.
a part 2.
No.
Never mind.
We'll
Well-
get we'll get all the characters done. Then we'll leave it.
Yeah, make a part 2. If you guys want a part 2.
I'm going to make a part 2.
Yeah. When?
When I get everything, when I'm ooh.
Okay, you have to do the end part, just so you know.
Yeah. I just have fun to get the wand on them. Okay, so that's how they get it. Vodka It's a vodka. Have you guys seen the Harry Potter crack? Like, if you guys go on YouTube to look up Harry Potter crack, they're making fun of it. Like each movie. You know Hermione, if you've ever seen Harry Potter, then you should go watch it. Fixes Harry's glasses on the train to Hogwarts. How she fixes it when she uses the spell. No, hold on. Instead of never mind, it's funny if you watch it. Okay, so that is Tina. Haha. Oh, she fell level. Okay, Tina's just gonna go. I'll show with an extra wand. And now I'm making Newt Scamander, who is the only one I can remember his name. Remember their name. Get on your. Okay, now we're sneaking this hair. Hair would look great. Now if I can just get it on. Oh, there we go. Okay, so now we need a leaf.
Am I too loud? But that's not my real
leaf?
voice.
It's a leaf or something. I don't know.
Ghost.
Did I drop the leaf or?
I have no idea.
I wasn't asking about that. I'm just looking. Did I drop one of the leaf things or?
You do not want to know who's in that jail.
Phantom?
Yep.
No, I did not think about that. Also, the box shows like it's supposed to be the suitcase in the movie. Okay, I need to find that thing.
Guava!
I need to find that leaf.
I'm done playing it. I just want to play my tablet. Should we get the video here?
No, like we'll get Newt Scamander and Tina done, then
I can
No,
get
I'll
Tina. I can get Tina done.
I already have Tina done.
Oh,
Okay, I can't find the leaf thing. Put.
I was just going to build. I want to something.
My Lego set collection. You have lots of Legos.
But I just want to go one little thing.
Okay, I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure, but it's probably this thing. And I'll put it on and I'll try to find it. I don't know. No, shut up. Alright. That's Newt Scamander and Tina done. So.
Teapot.
That's okay. I organized everything, and I got Newt Scamander and Tina Goldstein done. So I'm just gonna cut the video here. Mostly, you guys been watching.
Shut.
You guys just been watching me organize and stuff. Though I'll make another one if you guys like it. Okay.